This is how much money I made. Crazy. What's going on, everyone, and welcome to FlexFit Hustle. So you clicked on this video because you want to know how much I earned over the last few years as a part-time fitness professional. And I'm about to reveal that to you, but before I do that, I need to hype myself up with a song. So give me one moment. Alexa, play Spotify.
Why you thinking I ain't even doing that?
All right, so now that I'm hyped up and I have your attention, I'm about to share with you how much money I earned over the last few years as a part-time fitness coach. But before I get into that, I need to give you a little bit of a backstory. So a few years ago, I started a profile on a platform called Fiverr. For those of you who do not know what that platform is, it's a freelance platform where you can create a free profile and you can pretty much offer any type of services or digital products. A lot of video editors use it, a lot of graphic designers, but over the last few years, it became pretty popular for fitness coaches to use it as well. Okay, so I thought, hey, you know what? I'm gonna seize the opportunity. There aren't too many fitness professionals on here right now, at least not popular ones. So I am going to jump on this platform. I'm gonna go kill it. 1 month passes, I made no money. 2 months pass, made no money. 3 months pass, I made no money. 4th month, bam, made my first sale at $10. And then bam, 3 years later, I am sitting at 500 orders completed and 300 5-star reviews on Fiverr. And it became now a secondary income. It's not even my main thing, or a thirdary. I made up that word. Anyway, and that's why I'm sitting where I'm sitting right now, because with these opportunities came bigger paydays. So now that I shared with you where I started, I'm gonna actually show you how much money I made, okay? So drum roll, here it is. $54,000 since starting in 2022. Now, for some of you, you're probably like, damn, that's crazy. And for others, you might be like, it's not as much as I was expecting. And then for some of you, you're like, you know what? That's exactly the ballpark I was expecting. Well, I think that you will all be surprised once I reveal how much time I invested a week to earn this much money. And to be honest with you, I didn't invest more than 5 hours a week of work. Okay, when I say work, I mean to actually complete projects and stuff for clients and customers. Of course, I worked beyond that because I wanted to build the business and scale my business. But when it comes to the actual work of completing fitness programs, plans, coaching programs, all of that, I actually didn't have to do much work at all, because you just get really good at it over time and you just get really quick. So if you actually do the math on it over the last 3 years, it's about $18,000 a year. If you break it down into hours, 20 hours a month, 5 hours a week, I made about $75 before taxes an hour. How many of y'all can say that you make $75 an hour? I don't think a lot of you can say that. And if you do make over $75 an hour with your fitness coaching business right now, then I don't even know why you clicked on this video, if I'm honest with you, but hey, don't leave a like anyway. So part of the reason why you clicked on a video is you're probably wondering, how did I even get to that point? And I am actually going to give you step by step as to how I started and how I actually grew over time so that you can replicate the same success. First step that you have to take is you need to identify who you are selling to and what you're actually going to sell to them. And the best way to do that is ask yourself, what did I overcome? Like, which challenges did I overcome? Which issues did I face that I was able to solve over time? Because more than likely, your ideal client or avatar is going to be someone like you. So once you've identified that, then you need to figure out, am I going to sell a fitness program? Am I going to sell product promotions? Like, what am I going to do? Once you've established that, the second thing is to create a social media profile, upload posts about what you are selling. Maybe some of y'all already have a social media profile, and that's completely fine. If you don't, then create one, but make sure you start posting about what you are actually going to provide to your ideal clients. Now, you don't need to post more than 3 to 4 times a week, but I do want to warn you, do not promote your service more than like once or twice a week. That means like every 3rd or 4th post you can promote your service, but people don't like when you're promoting every single post because it looks very spammy, and Instagram might even flag it as a spam at one point as well. So you do not want to do that. And then the third step that you want to take is you want to create a profile on a free platform. I do not recommend that you create a website, because a website is a waste of time because you don't really know what you're doing yet. Over time, once you get success and all of that, then you can create a website. What I suggest is that you actually create a profile on Upwork, Gumroad, depends on the type of service or product you're selling. My personal favorite, you already guessed it, Fiverr. Fiverr is cool because yes, they take a 20% cut of whatever you sell, but they do all the marketing for you. That means you get all these inbound leads that come to you and you don't have to do shit. The only thing you have to do actually is you have to make sure that your SEO is on point. Like, your gig needs to be optimized so that people can actually find you in the search engine. If you get that on point, then you're going to start making money in no time. Now, if you want to learn how to build a Fiverr business from the ground up, I actually have a low priced course at $27 to show you how to do it. I give you all the steps, all the strategies, the secrets as to how you can become the algorithm's favorite and start making money pronto. I also offer templates, I offer objection handling scripts, all these free tools and resources that you can use. If that's something you're interested in, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. And the fourth step is that you just need to start selling. Start freaking selling. Promote your product on social media. Tell your family about it. Tell your friends. Optimize your gig. Optimize the description of your services. Upload a really high quality photo, a high quality introduction video. Do whatever you can do to draw attention to your service, okay? If you're able to successfully do that, I'm telling you right now, you are organically going to make a decent amount of money. You don't even need to touch ads or promotions or anything like that because you will be dialed in, all right? I've done it. I've done it. Trust me when I say, as long as you have the fitness skills and you have a decent IQ, you will be able to do this. You'll be able to become successful. If Toby can become successful, then you can become successful too. I'm sorry, Toby. I didn't mean to throw shade at you, man, but you're not like the brightest, and I think you know that. So that was it for the video. If you have any business ideas you're working on at the moment, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm actually going to reply to those comments personally and let you know what I think about your idea, and I'll give you a couple of tips as to how I would actually improve it. So it's free advice, free game. Why not use it? Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, especially if you like my little dance at the beginning. That's just how I hype myself up. I actually encourage you to hype yourself up before watching these videos so we can get motivated together, so we can share the same vibe, you know? If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I release a new video. I'm going to try to release a video like this every week. Otherwise, I'm releasing shorts of skits, educational content, blah, 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 blah. I'm rambling at this point. Follow your boy. Have a good one.